and Body Works candle and let the magic begin. Everyone, I just wanted to share with you some of these goodies that I found in Target this past weekend. Look, Christmas fruit snacks, and look at these Christmas fishes. Adorable, right? I just wanted to share with you. I also found delicious Buddy the Elf creamer in Target. We love Buddy the Elf in this house, so I'm really super excited. So I'm gonna pour myself a cup of coffee right now, use this new delicious creamer that I had, and then we're gonna get to work, because we got a lot of work ahead of us. Material time. So these are the 3 21-inch Deco Mesh garlands that I purchased for today's video. The 10-inch garland. This is the Deco Mesh tubing. I got red and green ribbons that I found in Michael's. I actually really like them. Pretty. So I have the who-ville sign. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in yet. I might. But if I put it in, then I need to find more Grinch stuff. So let's be realistic. A garland's never done. You could always put things in it even after you make it. So there is a possibility that I might be sticking stuff in as we go along, because I don't know, I might buy more stuff. My gorgeous Christmas bulbs that I got from Hobby Lobby. They're going in. And look at these are fabulous. I got this at the MardiGrasOutlet.com. Look, they're Christmas bulbs that intertwine in the garland. So I'm excited to show you how to use these. Our 9-foot red working wire, a must. Extra pipe cleaners, everyone, in Christmas colors. Then I got these non-shatterproof Christmas balls. We have this beautiful bow. And here we have the garland for Santa. His feet and his hat, so cute. We've got some elf's feet, because it wouldn't be Christmas without any elf's feet. Let's be realistic. Then we got these little poofers that I like, little poof, and this beautiful garland. Look at this, so pretty. So we've got a lot of work to do. Ladies, get ready to make your Christmas garland, because that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, everyone, my favorite part. Okay, go in, because you want it to dangle a little bit. Now, you guys know what time it is, don't you? It's twist and poof time. We twist and we poof. I love this ribbon. Okay, and we twist and we and now we twist the bow. Now it's time to play hide and go seek. The second garland, you twist twice. You take what's left over and you hide it. Bam. And then we poof. twist. And now we're gonna hide this in here. Boom. We just have one big poof. Okay, now it's time to add the red. What do? We gotta open the garland. Same thing. Just we twist and we poof. And we twist and we poof. Got a lot of twisting and poofing we're doing. So Christmas at Graceland was on this week, ladies and gentlemen. Who saw it? If you saw the movie, write it in the comments below. I would love to know what you thought about it and what you think about the garlands that were in there. After we put our 2 layers of our 21-inch Deco Mesh garland in the garland, now we use the 10-inch. So it's always 2 of the big and then 1 of the small. As usual, we I'm so excited for Christmas. Making this Christmas garland, I can't wait to decorate my house next week for Christmas. That's right, that is next week's video. I am decorating my entire house for Christmas. Doing this garland got me in the Christmas spirit and in the Christmas spirit of giving. Ladies, stay tuned to the end. I got a special surprise for you. So we're gonna start our ribbon and deco tubing. Again, you could layer it like this, or you could layer it like this. I'm gonna start with it maybe like this. So I am adding a pop of brie now into the garland. Let's move this down. Look how big and poofy this is. I love it. Twisting and poofing time. I'm just having a quick coffee and candy cane break. If you like what you see so far, subscribe. So it's a miracle. I found my Costco ribbon. Yay! And I think this would look so pretty in the garland. So I'm gonna add it in. Normally I don't do this, but I feel like it needed another pop of something in it. So we're gonna add it in. So, bye! So I centered the garland. I'm adding them in with my extra pipe cleaners. So I only bought 1 strand of this. So this is going in the middle because when you put it up, I want the Santa legs and the hats to dangle. Because that would be really cute. Okay, now I'm gonna secure it. So the next time you see me decorate my house for Christmas. You might see me put lights in here. I'm gonna do that now. Okay, we're still securing the veggies. So instead of the spider garland like we used for the Halloween garland, we're going to use this Christmas ball garland. And we're gonna put it on the top and then secure it as we go. I actually bought 4 of these because I feel like we're gonna need them. Don't mind me, I'm just deciding, who-ville or a bow? Using my extra pipe cleaners, and I'm just faceting the sign with the pipe cleaners into the garland. That's what I'm gonna do. Grinches. Maybe no bows. Maybe we'll do some Grinches. I love that idea. I'm inserting these, so look how long these are. So you take the working garland, you go underneath, you go up, and you twist it. Boom. You got like little Christmas balls that are gonna pop out. I think that's so cute. Go like every 2, don't do every 1. So I just did 1. Skip this one. Oh, look at this. See this? I could hide because I got a lot of stuff going on here. This area is very busy in here, so that's good. And I can hide it pretty with 2 bowls. Perfect. I love when this comes together. I just wish I had my Grinch heads. All right, so we're gonna skip here and we'll go on the other side of who-ville. So I'm going to put the reindeer and Santa in here because, you know, the Grinch really doesn't like Santa. And we need somebody to pull its sleigh, so we're going to put him in Garland. So I'm going to put these sticks in, but I'm going to wait until the garland goes up, and then I'm going to stick the sticks in the garland. And it's going to look fabulous. Save these Christmas balls for my Christmas tree, because I feel like they will glow so beautifully. So they're gonna go in the tree. This is the garland. As I said, we need some Grinch heads, we need some clips, we need some legs sticking out. So I'm about 80% done with this. But I really like how it came out. It came out so pretty, right? Yay, so excited. What's that over there? Come with me. So as I was making that garland, I was also making this one. So I wasn't very sneaky out. I made 2, and you guys didn't even realize it, did you? So this garland is for one of my special viewers. That's right, I'm doing a Christmas garland giveaway, and I will ship it right to your house, a little Opera Mama G to you. So in order to enter the contest, you must follow me on Instagram, and all the information for the contest will be on my Instagram. So good luck, everyone. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Good luck to whoever enters my contest, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, and don't forget to tune in for next week because I am decorating my house for Christmas, and you'll see the finishing touches of the garland, and you'll see where I'm putting it, because guess what? I'm not putting it in my kitchen window, so you're gonna have to figure out where I'm going with it. All right, everyone, have a really wonderful day. See you next week. Bye-bye.